Border Security Force BSF ke hanage Additional Director General Oramba PK Mishra na Manipur thole Erang asigi waroisin purang ba khotna bada miyamna kuki militant singa mari laini haripa akaknaba paramilitary force sing mapum fana louthokpa mathou tai haina phongdokrai wafam asi mahakna News 9 TV interview amada phongdokhibani mahakna jiribam asi Manipur goina khwaidagi maru oiba lambi amani haina phongdokpa na kuki militant singna highway asibu paisin na khotna riba asigi matang da su wafam kaya su phongdokai Jadi bamda Myanmar da ke mitok kya saksilakuna laisalakkiba asina thokliba Erang asi hena lusin kibani haibana chingbo wafam singsu phongdoke
They are very strong with arms given to them by Myanmar and also supported by few forces also from here, and that is how, because Churachandpur and Bishnupur things were controlled slightly by police and paramilitary forces, but they shifted it intentionally just to show that they are in force and they can command. And that is how Jiribam has become a center of gravity of all these classes which is taking place. And it is very difficult if we don't intervene, particularly with the double engine government in Manipur. Why it is failing? I am telling you, it is a failure of command and control and law and order in Manipur particularly. Things are very bad, and the Honorable MP has clearly told that Manipur is going out of control. It is better that we should think about that. And it's not that only one CRPF constable has died. So many CRPF personnel, they have died earlier also, and a lot of security forces, they have become Sahids because of this clash between Cookies and Maithis. And this will never come to an end until and unless it is not being looked into properly. And it's like that of Jammu and Kashmir. You see the coordination of operation being done by army and the paramilitary forces and Jammu Kashmir police. It's not there in Manipur. It is absolutely not there. Assam Rifle goes in different way, Manipur police goes in different way, CRPF goes in different way. There are some BSF battalions also, they go in a different way. So the combination, coordination of operation is still not there.
Okay.
And the operation is being hampered because of this. And I can tell you, it involves shifting of I repeat very strongly, shifting of one paramilitary, one force from Manipur completely. Definitely it will come to an end. Hand over to any other paramilitary force. But one force has to go from there, which is there for last so many years, and they have the link to Kuki militants. That force has to be shifted.
Sir, I would only say that I would only say that we have to refrain from using that word, because the more we use it, the more it adds problem to the Manipur, because that has been the charge of so many communities, that these forces are split. If one says that Assam Rifle is protecting one community, then even the Manipur commandos are blamed by the other communities, sir. It creates a problem.
That is why they should not involve. They should not involve with all these things. They have to go against the militant groups, whoever is carrying arms. It's very clear.